Do you need a mobile tool cart to work around the shop? The OT-MT 3-drawer work center is the ideal shop cart. The drawers are 22 inches wide by 11 inches deep and 2 inches high. Drawers extend 95% out and have a 22-pound load capacity. Sturdy steel slides for long life. The 3 storage drawers can be locked when your tools are not in use. 2 side bins for holding small parts. Side rack for holding tools. Sturdy straight and swivel casters for ease of mobility. To purchase item 98-501-353, please call us at 1-800-221-0270 or visit our website at www.travers.com.